These are sounds. Sounds are a way of communication. Sounds are a way of understanding. Not as far as a commonsensical question or words. As you can see, the honking of a horn lets you know when to turn, when to stop, when somebody else is behind you. Without music, without sound, you would not know how to live. There would be a part of life missing and a part of life that would have no understanding. This is the key essence of life, in my opinion. And without this, as you can see, it cuts out. This doesn't sound right. You could be hit by a car at any second if there was no noise. Without noise, the world would not function the way that it does currently. It lets you know when to be alert. It lets you know when to avoid danger. It lets you know what's going on. And in another way, it lets you communicate ideas. It lets you communicate thoughts and feelings. This is as far as music goes. And as far as music takes me, I can say that I'm a beatboxer, and that's how I communicate my feelings. Here's a 60 beat per minute metronome. A beatbox can go over this and explain more than just feelings and emotions. It can explain what's going on. And here's how I do it. Now we pick it up a little bit, give me 100 beat per minute. Now to speed things up a little bit. Give me 160. Let's go with 160 beat per minute. Break it down now. And without that, you would have no idea how I'm feeling. And at this moment in time, I'm pretty pumped. This is TED Ed, and this is what we do. I'm Matt Nikel.